Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Bish from DPS Lamachor. Today in this session, we'll be solving the question based on second method, which is written down value method. So here is the question. On 1st January 2015, the Jaipur Transport Company purchased a truck for Rs 4 lakh. On 1st July 2016, this truck was involved in an accident and was completely destroyed, and Rs 3 lakh were received from the insurance company in full settlement. On the same date, another truck was purchased by the company for Rs 5 lakh. The company writes off 20% depreciation on written down value method, and the accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Give the truck account for 3 years. So in the question it is given that the company has purchased a truck for Rs 4 lakh on 1st January 2015. This truck was involved in an accident on 1st July 2016, and the company received the amount of 3 lakh rupees from insurance company in full settlement. Then on the same date, which is on 1st July 2016, company purchased another truck for Rs 5 lakh. Now in the question, company is charging the depreciation at the rate 20% per annum, and this depreciation is charged on the second method, which is written down value method. Accounts are closed at the end of the year, which is 31st March every year. You have to prepare the truck account for 3 years. Now according to the question, the truck was purchased on 1st January 2015 for Rs 4 lakh. So entry for purchasing asset will be asset account debit to bank account. So bank account was credited here in the entry. So while posting that entry in ledger, we will debit that asset to bank account. Date is 2015 January 1st, and the amount is 4 lakh rupees. So depreciation rate is 20%, and we know that the depreciation is charged at the end of the year. So here year ending will be on 2015 31st March. We will write here for charging depreciation by depreciation account. 4 lakh is the amount of truck. 20% is the rate of depreciation. See, the machinery was purchased on 1st January 2015, and we are charging the depreciation on that machinery on 31st March 2015. That means the machinery has been used for 3 months from January to 31st March. So we will provide the depreciation for 3 months. So the depreciation amount is 20,000. Now we will see which side is having a greater value. So we can see here in debit side there is amount of 4 lakh, and in credit side the amount is 20,000. That means debit side is having a greater value with Rs 4 lakh. So we'll record this value in credit side also. This will be the balancing figure, and we write the balancing figure as by balance carried down. And this balance carried down is written at the end of the year, which is 31st March 2015. Now the amount remaining in balance carried down will be 3,80,000. Now this balance carried down is considered as balance brought down in the next year. Next year will be 2015 1st April. We write this balance as to balance brought down, and the amount is 3,80,000. Now the value of truck in the second year is 3,80,000, and this truck will be used for 1 year. So the year ending will be 2016 31st March, and we will provide the depreciation on this truck at the end of the year. So we will write it as by depreciation account. So this truck has been used from 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016. That means this truck is used for 1 year. So depreciation will be charged per annum and the rate of depreciation is 20%. So 20% of 3,80,000 is 76,000. Now we can see debit side is having a greater value with rupees 3,80,000. We will record this amount on credit side also. 3,80,000. This will be the balancing figure. We write the balancing figure as by balance carried down. So here the amount will be 3,04,000. The balance carried down here is 3,04,000. This balance carried down will be the balance brought down in the next year. Next year is on 2016, 1st April. We write this balance as to balance brought down and the amount is 3,04,000. Now according to the question, in the year 2016 on 1st July, the truck was involved in the accident and the company received the insurance claim of rupees 3 lakh. Now the company has received the amount from insurance company. Entry for this transaction will be insurance claim account debit to truck account. So here insurance claim account is debited. While posting this entry in the ledger, we will write it on opposite direction. That means we will credit insurance claim amount. Year is 2016. Date is 1st July. Amount of 3 lakh has been received from insurance company. We will write it as by insurance claim. Amount is 3 lakh rupees. So the truck was involved in the accident on 1st July. That means the truck has been used from 1st April to 1st July. So we will provide the depreciation for 3 months. Depreciation will be provided on 1st July as by depreciation account. The amount of truck in the year 2016 and 1st April was 3,04,000. Rate of depreciation is 20% and it is charged on 3 months. Amount is 15,200. So depreciation charged on the truck for 3 months is 15,200. Now we will see whether the company has earned a profit or bear the loss after receiving the insurance claim from insurance company. So the value of truck on 1st April 2016 was 3,04,000. We have provided the depreciation for 3 months, which is 15,200. So the amount of truck on 1st July 2016 was 2,88,000. This is the value, current value of the truck. But we have received 3 lakh for this amount. That means the company has earned some profit. The amount of profit will be calculated as 3 lakh minus 2,88,800. Amount is 11,200. So this is the amount of profit earned by the company by receiving the insurance claim from insurance company. So this is the amount of profit earned by the company by receiving the amount from insurance company 3 lakh on 2,88,800, because the value of truck on 1st July 2016 was 2,88,800 and the insurance company has paid the company 3 lakh rupees for this amount. So the company has earned 11,200 as profit. As we know, the profit is treated as the income for the company. Income is always credited. Now, while posting that income on ledger, we will write it on opposite direction. That means the profit will be written on debit side. The company has earned the profit on 1st July 2016 by receiving the amount from insurance company. So we will write it as to statement of P&L account profit. Profit earned by the company was 11,200. Now, according to the question, on the same date the company purchased a new truck. That means on 1st July 2016, company purchased a new truck. So we will write to bank account, and the amount of truck was 5 lakh rupees. Now, we will provide the depreciation on this truck. It is very important to note that the depreciation will not be provided in the previous truck. Why? Because that truck was destroyed and the company has settled that account by receiving the amount from insurance company. That means we will provide the depreciation on second truck brought by the company. So depreciation is always provided at the end of the year. So the year ending will be 2017 31st March by depreciation account. We can see here the second truck was brought on 1st July and the depreciation is provided on 31st March. That means the second truck has been used for 9 months from 1st July to 31st March. So the amount of depreciation will be 5 lakh into rate of depreciation is 20% and the period for depreciation is 9 months. Amount will be 75,000. The amount of depreciation is 75,000. Now we will see which side is having a greater value. So we can see here debit side is having a greater value with the amount 8,15,000. We will write this amount on the credit side also, 8,15,000. Now this will be the balancing figure. Date for recording balancing figure will be 31st March. We write the balancing figure as by balance carried down. So the amount of balancing figure will be 4,25,000. Now this balance carried down is considered as the balance brought down in the next year. Next year opening balance will be written as to balance brought down and the year will be 2017. Date is 1st April. Amount will be 4,25,000. So this is how question based on written down value method is solved when more than one machinery is purchased. In the next session, we'll continue doing some more question based on written down value method. That's all for today. Thank you.